Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see calculating the mode for individual series. In the previous videos we have seen about the mean and median. So now we will see the last measures of central tendency, which is mode. Find the mode of the given data set. Here there are only the observations, so it is called as individual series. In order to find out the mode for the individual series, first we need to make a table and write two columns. The first column is the observation and the next column is the number of times an observation is occurred, which is denoted as n. In the first column, you need to write only the unique observations, which means the observations should not repeat more than one time. Therefore, the observations are 3, 6, 9, 15, 27, 37, and 48. 4, 8, 48. Now, most of the people make mistakes in counting the number of observations. I will say you one trick how to count the number of observations. It is simple. Just let us take the first observation 3, and when you see that observations, make a cross mark. And now after making a cross mark, count these cross marks, which is 1 and 2, and write this 2 here. And for the next observation 6, and we don't see any 6 in this series. And now count these cut mark, which is 1, right here 1, and 9, and count the cut mark, which is 1, therefore 1, and 15, the next observation. Count the cross marks 1, 2, 3, and write down here. And the next one is 27. 1, which are 2 cut marks. So 2 here. And 37. And we have only 2 observations. One is 37 and one is 48. So 1 and 1. Now once you have written the observations and number of times it has occurred, the half task is completed. The another small part of the problem is, now we need to check the most repeated number of times observation. Mode is nothing but the number of times an observation is repeated than all the other observations, which means 3 appear 2 times. So you need to compare these two with all these observations. If the first one is greater than all of this, then this becomes the mode. If it is less than, it does not become the mode. It cannot be the mode. So let me say here 2. 2 is greater than 1. So 3 can be mode. 2 is greater than 1. So 3 can be mode. 2 is greater than 3, which is wrong. 2 is less than 3. So 3 cannot be the mode. So here we can make a note that 3 cannot be the mode. We can make a conclusion 3 cannot be the mode. And we have to see the next observation, 6. 1 is less than 2, which means the sixth observation is repeated only one time. So it cannot be the mode, which is less than the number of times the 3 observation has repeated. So we can also conclude 6 cannot be the mode and 9 cannot be the mode. And the next one is 15. 3 greater than 2. 3 greater than 1. 3 greater than 1. 3 greater than 2. 3 greater than 1. 3 greater than 1. Here, this observation, the 15th observation, when we compare, it is getting it. The number of times is greater than all the number of times observation. So this is the most repeated observation, 15. So our mode becomes 15. In this way, we can calculate the mode for individual series. I hope you have understood, and please like, share and comment to my video so that I can make more videos about the statistics. And thank you everyone.